How to fix contactless payment not working on Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can fix contactless payment not working on Revolut. Well, now I'm on the official support page here of Revolut, and you can see here what are the fixes for contactless payment. Well, in the Revolut mobile app, you want to go to the home on the bottom menu, then tap the cards icon in the top right corner and then tap settings. So once you have selected your card, scroll down and make sure contactless payments are enabled. If the contactless limit is reached, you want to tap reset. Now if that doesn't work, you can check if the card is activated. Select the card in the card section and tap activate now. Choose I have my card or make a PIN purchase, then retry the payment. If you used Apple Pay or Google Pay, re-add the card to your wallet or create a new virtual card, then retry the payment. If the physical card is damaged or worn out, it may not work. You can order a replacement by selecting the damaged card in the card section and tapping replace card option. So this was from the official support page of Revolut. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.